The resting point is this line right here. So all the way through. The amplitude is measured from the resting point to the highest point. So this line right here is the amplitude. Can also be measured from the resting point to the lowest point. So again, this is the amplitude. The crest of the wave is the top, the highest point. So this would be the crest right here. This would be the crest right here. So the top. The trough of the wave would be the lowest point. So this would be the trough. Okay. The wavelength would be from the highest point to the highest point. So this is my wavelength. What is the wavelength? It's the length of the wave. The wavelength can also be, if we extend this here, make another trough, could also be from the lowest point, so from trough to trough. That is a wavelength as well. So again, the amplitude is from the resting position to the highest point, or the resting position to the lowest point. So these are both amplitude. The length of the wave, or the wavelength, is from the highest point to the highest point. And again, this is how we measure the length of the wave. Or it could be from the lowest point to the lowest point. We can also describe this as, this is my crest. This is also a crest. This lowest point is called a trough. Lowest point, a trough. So we could also say the wavelength is measured from crest to crest, or trough to trough. And that is what you need to know for the parts of the transverse wave.